Hello viewers, welcome to PK Learning. Viewers, today we will discuss the 50 most important MCQs about angiosperm for any exam like PGT, TGT, PPSC or FPC or any university entrance exam at any level, MSc level, MPhil level or PhD level. Let's start it, and first question is taproot system is commonly found in dicotyledons, monocotyledons, bryophytes or all of these, and answer is A, dicotyledons. Taproot system is commonly found in dicotyledons. A is correct option. And next question is nepiform root is found in radish, turnip, carrot or wheat, and answer is B, turnip. Nepiform root is found in turnip. B is correct option. And next question is the aerial roots are found in wheat, groundnut, orchids or none of these, and answer is C, orchids. Aerial roots are found in orchids. C is correct option. And next question is the fibrous roots are commonly found in dicotyledons, monocotyledons, gymnosperm or none of these, and answer is B, monocotyledon. The fibrous roots are commonly found in monocotyledons. B is correct option. And next question is in which of the following the plants are all roots? Podostemon, lemna, wolffia or utricularia, and answer is A, podostemon. The plants are all roots in podostemon. A is correct option. And next question is embryo developed from nucellus and integument is called apospory, apogamy, adventave embryoni or apomixis, and answer is C, adventave embryoni. Embryo developed from nucellus and integument is called adventave embryoni. C is correct option. And next question is removal of anthers at the time of plants breeding is called emasculation, anthesis, pollination or fertilization, and answer is A, emasculation. Removal of anther is emasculation. A is correct option. And next question is filiform apparatus is characteristic feature of synergid, zygote, suspensor or egg, and answer is A, synergid. Filiform apparatus is characteristic of synergid. A is correct option. And next question is banana reproduces through underground suckers, rhizomes, seeds or stolons, and answer is B, rhizomes. Banana reproduce through rhizomes. B is correct option. And next question is wind pollination is common in grasses, orchids, legumes or lilies, and answer is A, grasses. Wind pollination is common in grasses. A is correct option. And next question is in angiosperm functional megaspore develops into embryo sac, ovule, endosperm or pollen sac, and answer is A, embryo sac. Functional megaspore in angiosperm develop into embryo sac. A is correct option. And next question is plants with ovaries having only one or few ovules are generally pollinated by butterflies, birds, winds or bees, and answer is C, wind. C is correct option, wind. And next question is pairs of plant structure that have haploid number of chromosomes, megaspore mother cell and antipodal cell, egg cell and antipodal cell, nucellus and antipodal cell, or none of these, and answer is B, egg cell and antipodal cell. Haploid number of chromosomes, egg cell and antipodal cell. B is correct option. And next question is aileron layer of endosperm of monocot is related with growth of endosperm, storage of food, formation of endosperm, or none of these, and answer is C, formation of endosperm. Aileron layer is related with formation of endosperm. C is correct option. And next question is even in the absence of pollinating agent, seed setting is assured in Salvia, Commelina, fig or Zostera, and answer is B, Commelina. Seed setting is assured in absence of pollinating agent in Commelina. B is correct option. And next question is, both autogamy and geitonogamy are prevented in castor chromosomes, cucumber or papaya. And answer is D, papaya. Both autogamy and geitonogamy are prevented in papaya. D is correct option. And next question is, the asexual production of seed is called fragmentation, apomixis, self-fertilization, or both A and B. And answer is B, apomixis. Asexual production of seed is called apomixis. B is correct option. And next question is, advantage of cleistogamy is vivipary, higher genetic variability, more vigorous offspring, or no dependence on pollinator. And answer is D, no dependence on pollinator. Advantage of cleistogamy, no dependence on pollinator. D is correct option. And next question is, during formation of which of the following free nuclear division occurs? Flower, endosperm, gametes, or fruit? And answer is B, endosperm. Free nuclear division occur during formation of endosperm. B is correct option. And next question is, megasporangium is equivalent to ovule, embryo sac, fruit, or nucellus. And answer is A, ovule. Megasporangium is equivalent to ovule. A is correct option. And next question is, the haustral roots are found in orchid, monstera, cascota, or none of these. And answer is C, cascota. The haustral or sucking roots are found in cascota. C is correct option. And next question is, the largest buds occur in cabbage, cauliflower, lettuce, or Brussels sprouts. And answer is A, cabbage. The largest buds occur in cabbage. A is correct option. And next question is, root cap is absent in mesophytes, xerophytes, hydrophytes, or halophytes. And answer is C, hydrophytes. Root cap is absent in hydrophytes. C is correct option. And next question is, liana is a herb, woody twinner, tendril climber, insectivorous plants. And answer is B, woody twinner. Liana is a woody twinner. B is correct option. And next question is, cladode is a modification of stem, leaf, root, or none of these. And answer is A, stem. Cladode is a modification of stem. A is correct option. And next question is, which of the following plant has largest leaf? Victoria, luteus, royal palm, or none of these? And answer is A, Victoria. Largest leaf or the plant which has largest leaf, Victoria. A is correct option. And next question is, the most reduced stem is found in bulb, carp, rhizome, or stem tuber. And answer is A, bulb. The most the, the most reduced stem is found in bulb. A is correct option. And next question is, mint multiplies by bulbs, suckers, root, cutting, or rhizomes. And answer is B, suckers. Mint multiplies by suckers. B is correct option. And next question is, cataphyls are also called fern leaves, floral leaves, profils, or scale leaves. And answer is D, scale leaves. Cataphyls are also called scale leaves. D is correct option. And next question is, which of the following is actually not a flower? Sunflower, pea, rose, or none of these? And answer is A, sunflower. Which of the following is actually not a flower? Is sunflower. A is correct option. And next question is, in onion, the edible swollen portion is aerial stem, underground stem, internodes, or leaf bases. And answer is D, leaf bases. In onion, edible swollen portion is leaf bases. D is correct option. And next question is, cruciform corolla is present in sunflower, chana rose, reddish, or pea. And answer is C, reddish. Cruciform corolla is present in C, reddish. And next question is, persistent calyx is characteristic of the family Liliaceae, Compositae, Solanaceae or Malvaceae, and answer is C, Solanaceae. Persistent calyx is characteristic of family Solanaceae. C is correct option. And next question is, excess of inflorescence is known as petiole, peduncle, bryophytes, or none of these. And answer is B, peduncle. Excess of inflorescence is known as peduncle. B is correct option. And next question is, grafting is done in monocots, dicots, pteridophytes, or all of these. And answer is B, dicots. Grafting is done in dicots. B is correct option. And next question is, corymb inflorescence is found in coriander, Persica, candytuft, or helianthus. And answer is C, candytuft. Corymb inflorescence is found in candytuft. C is correct option. And next question is, marginal placentation is found in Pisum, helianthus, hibiscus, or dianthus. And answer is A, Pisum. Marginal placentation is found in Pisum. A is correct option. And next question is, the fruit of mango is drupe, nut, pome, or berry. And answer is A, drupe. The fruit of mango is drupe. A is correct option. And next question is, the study of fruits is called ornithology, anthology, pomology, or mycology. And the answer is C, pomology. Study of fruits is called pomology. C is correct option. And next question is, juicy edible aril is found in plum, lychee, peach, or none of these. And answer is B, lychee. Juicy edible aril is found in lychee. B is correct option. And next question is, the composite fruit is pome, berry, regma, or soraces. And answer is D, soraces. The composite fruit is soraces. D is correct option. And next question is, banana is berry, pome, pepo, or lumentum. And answer is A, berry. Banana is a berry. A is correct option. And next question is, a maize grain is false fruit, true fruit, undeveloped ovary, or seeds. And answer is B, true fruit. A maize grain is true fruit. B is correct option. And next question is, pepo fruit is characteristic of cucurbits, mango, pomegranate, or orange. And answer is A, cucurbits. Pepo fruit is characteristic of cucurbit. A is correct option. And next question is, cremocarp is found in coriander, mango, lychee, or trapa. And answer is A, coriander. Cremocarp is found in coriander. A is correct option. And next question is, Clistogamous flower is found in tobacco, viola, mirabilis, or none of these. And answer is B, viola. Clistogamous flower is found in viola. B is correct option. And next question is, mulberry is soraces, drupe, false fruit, or cyconus. And answer is A, soraces. Mulberry is soraces. A is correct option. And next question is, a leaf without petiole is called sessile, retice, accreate, or rancinate. And answer is A, sessile. A leaf without petiole is called sessile. A is correct option. And next question is, bulbils are present in oxalis, asparagus, bougainvillea, or all of these. And answer is A, oxalis. Bulbils are present in oxalis. A is correct option. And next question is, double fertilization is characteristic of gymnosperm, bryophytes, pteridophytes, or angiosperm. And answer is D, angiosperm. Double fertilization is characteristic of angiosperm. D is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.